School supplies. Learning English is easier when you know the right words. Let's learn the most useful school and study tools in English. Backpack. A bag carried on the back, used by students to hold books and supplies.
I put my books and lunch in my backpack every morning.
Ruler. A tool used to measure length or draw straight lines.
She used a ruler to draw a straight line on the paper.
Binders. Hard folders with rings to hold loose papers together.
He keeps his school notes in different binders.
Crayons. Colored wax sticks used for drawing.
Children love to draw with crayons.
Stapler. A tool used to attach papers together with metal staples.
I stapled the pages of my report with a stapler.
Sticky notes. Small pieces of paper with adhesive on the back used for notes.
She left a sticky note on the fridge to remind him.
Graph paper. Paper printed with a grid of squares used for math or drawings.
He drew the chart on graph paper.
Laptop. A portable computer used for work or study.
I do all my homework on my laptop. Push pins. Small pins used to attach papers to a board. He used push pins to hang the map on the wall.
Paper cutter. A tool used to cut paper neatly.
The teacher used a paper cutter to trim the sheets.
Keyboard. A device with keys used to type on a computer.
She typed the letter using her keyboard.
Sketch pad. A pad of paper used for drawing or sketching.
The artist carried a sketch pad everywhere.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.